JC Ingid has always had a love for the outdoors.
So I was diagnosed with cerebral palsy at a year and a half.
JC's only mode of transportation is a wheelchair.
I've never let anything stop me.
Ingid is one of the few participants at Hope's Vision that get to trade in their chairs for a pair of skis.
It was just a thrill, you know. I got to know the feeling of the wind in my hair and got to leave the chair behind, so that's the best part.
Hope Reese suffers from a condition that causes low vision. She started Hope's Vision 10 years ago for a Girl Scout project offering those with disabilities the chance to experience sports as well.
Every year we get more and more people that want to come out and ski, and new faces every year, and it's awesome.
Hope's Vision joined Dreams in Motion, a nonprofit providing adaptive sports for all ages.
She did it! Yeah! Woohoo!
Hope's next goal is to raise enough money to buy equipment so she can travel around the state and continue her vision.